Feel like you're on the right path, but sometimes still have that feeling of being unfulfilled. I was a yoga teacher and I was in the same space, feeling unfulfilled with myself and unfulfilled with my purpose, my dharma. So let's start with the first one, feeling unfulfilled with myself. And that came from having taught yoga, knowing what I needed to do, the daily yoga practices, the meditations, eating healthy, eating well, not snacking between the meals, all these things that I knew would benefit me, my health, and my lifespan. And I still found that I just couldn't actually take action on a regular basis to do all these healthy practices that I knew I should be doing, that I was teaching others to do. And it really, really frustrated me. And it was always like, on Monday, I will start on Monday. On Monday, I will start with not eating any more sweets, any more chocolates. On Monday, I will start with getting a regular meditation practice on Monday. And Mondays would come, and some Mondays were good, and some Tuesdays were good, and some months were good. And then I would fall off the bandwagon and I would get really, really frustrated. And then this led me to the second part, was feeling unfulfilled with my dharma. Now, I loved teaching yoga. I still love teaching yoga. And my frustration picked up because I was only ever seeing my clients once a week for a yoga class. And I knew that they could achieve so much more in their health and their wellness if they would just incorporate basic, simple habits into their everyday life. Because I knew what to do, I knew that I wasn't doing it, and I knew that if my students could be doing it, that we would all be improving health-wise, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally as well. And this was one of the reasons why I decided to start Natural Living with Nina, because I wanted to see a transformation that would happen over a long term, over a year. What would happen if within a year we did certain habits regularly, daily, ideally? What would that shift in our physical bodies? What would that shift with our minds, in our energy bodies? So this group, you could call it a club, you could call it a community. I find it's more of a place where there is accountability, and you also get one-on-one coaching with me, because let's be honest, sometimes it's just really helpful to have that one person who's listening to what your challenge is, and if there is a direct or an immediate solution that one can implement to address that challenge. And so I created Natural Living with Nina for women who probably like you, who are just sick and tired of waiting for Monday to arrive, sick and tired of falling off the bandwagon, and are actually just ready to take action, who are ready to be like, you know what, I'm ready, I'm here to be accountable, I'm going to start implementing healthier habits. We're not looking for perfection, we're just looking to do it more regularly than we have been. So if you are interested in finding out more about Natural Living with Nina, watch the next video to find out exactly what Natural Living with Nina is all about and how it works. I'll see you there.